The Retsch GrindControl impresses with its well-designed construction and makes the entire process, including cleaning, simple and efficient. Unscrew the GrindControl unit from the container and remove the O-ring as well as the lid insert. Cleaning tools are included in the scope of delivery. As you can see, material contamination is effectively prevented by the sinter filters. Thanks to the modular design, the lid, insert, O-rings, and sinter filters can be cleaned externally with water, suitable solvents, or in an ultrasonic bath. Replace spare parts, O-ring, flat gasket, and sinter filter, immediately if they show signs of damage. Use the supplied tool to thoroughly clean the openings. The GrindControl unit itself must not come into contact with liquids. Clean the unit exclusively in a dry manner, e.g., with a brush. To clean the ventilation openings, remove the blind plug or the adapter used. A small bottle brush for cleaning the ventilation openings in the lid is included in the scope of delivery. Please make sure not to touch the sensor. The membrane is sensitive to mechanical forces and may be damaged if excessive pressure is applied.